Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. I have some fun stuff to show you. This is from Diamond Art Gift and I have some fun things. You know, we have fun things when we have boxes. So let's get into it and I'll show you what we have. I would like to thank them for asking me to show some more stuff so you guys can see cool things. I mean, yeah, it's fun, right? Okay, so this one's special drill. This one's gonna be cool. Alrighty, let's get it out of the bag, out of the bag, out of the bag. All right, here we go. Let's show you what it is. Oh, this is kind of a softer, not soft, but more flexible canvas. You know what I mean? More flexible. If it wants to lay flat, that would be helpful. All right, there we go. Not real good. I picked this one A because it's an owl, and you know I love owls. And B, it looks like it's going to have a ton of special drills, just a ton. All right, so should have done this prior. Should have done that, but I was too excited. All right, here we go. It's a pretty blue owl. It's gorgeous. Let me zoom in. We're too far out. Zoom in. There we go. Isn't it cool? Reminds me of China, that blue China. It's so pretty. But look at all these large stones. We got large ones here in the tail, all around here. There's lots and lots of large stones. So I'm excited to see what, they even gave us some tweezers with that. Look at, super excited to see what we have for that. There are 14. And you know what? When I look at this legend, look at, I think 1, 2, 3 are gonna be rhinestones. I don't know. These, I don't know, we'll see. They look like special shapes on the keys, but we'll see. I don't think there's going to be a lot of just regular rhinestones. Let's look. What do we have? What do we have? Look at this, isn't even a rhinestone. So we have white. All right, white. Come on, focus. White, clear. Then we have a new kind of sliver. These are a marquee sliver instead of a teardrop sliver. They're about the same size as the little bitty slivers. We have pretty blue teardrops. We have blue faceted. Here's another rhinestone, pretty blue. We have one size pearls. We have 2 sizes of pearls. We have another blue rhinestone. Then we have some aqua. These are oval. Oh, look at those. Well, aren't those cool? I like those. Those are nice. Cool. Then we have some little teardrops. We have some green teardrops. And we have another blue round. Like it. I like it. All blues and aquas and some white. Very pretty. And there's not a ton of rhinestones. I like it. Okay, that's the first thing I got. Couldn't resist that one. All right. Next we have a full drill. Full drill. Let's see what, yeah, these are very flexible. This canvas material they're using is very flexible. I like it. All right, toolkit. Bagged drills. Yes, okay, let's do the colors first. Very, I don't know, naturey. Grassy, greeny, I don't know. Gray, some greens, yellows, orange, taupe. Yellow, green, blue, green, brown, green. Just, you know, very earthy kind of tones. Sky, leaves, flowers, I don't know. What's the painting? You say, what's the painting? Well, I don't know. Let's show you what the painting is. It's a little gnome guy. It's a little gnome guy. Oh my gosh. I really should have done this ahead of time because they're very hard to see with all of the wrinkles in the plastic. Okay, hang on. All right, there. Lay down. He's got tulips. Look, he's got a bouquet of tulips. He's probably taking it to his girlfriend. It's a nice spring day. We got daffodils blooming over here. We got butterflies flying around. He's got a bouquet of tulips to take to his girlfriend. 23 colors, all letters. He's super cute. The gnomes just keep coming. Pick an occasion pick a season, pick a holiday. They're making gnomes for them. Seriously. I'm in the process of going through all of my stuff again. And I'm going to be at least 2 boxes of gnomes, I think. I don't know. I'm not that far yet, but I'm finding a ton. Anyhow, cute, 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 cute. Love it. So, see why we have such naturey colors? That would be why, right? There must be a little purple. Oh, yeah. There's a little purple. Well, it's kind of a brownish purple. Is there a true purple in there anywhere? Nope. Not really. How do we get that? How do we get that? Right there. I don't know. It's a mystery. I don't know. Okay. Now, what's in the boxes? You say, what's in the boxes? Love stuff that comes in boxes. That means they're fun little projects. All right. Come on. This is perfect timing. Well, it'll be late for you probably. A little later. Well, I don't know. It might be about on time. We'll see. Seasonal stuff. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Right? How cute. How stinking cute. Another toolkit and a chain. We get a chain to hang it from. Oh, somebody's at my door. Oh, now they're not. They left. Okay. UPS man. What'd he bring me? But look at how cute. It's only one-sided. Made in the USA. Got a big star. Got your 2 places to hang from here. Cute, right? And here's our drills. Red, white, and blue. And wow, this is an interesting mix of things. Supposed to be stars, but we got one that got flattened and we got a little round in there. Anyhow, those are our colors, not many. Isn't it cute though? Cute, love it. Okay, got one more item to show you. One more. And I'm interested to see this one. Very, very interested. Huh. Okay. Well, wow. Okay, I'm liking it. I know I'm hiding it from you. I'm hiding it. There's our toolkit. Here's our drills. They're red, white, and blue. Again, red, white, and blue. Okay? But look at this. This is spiffy. This is wood. I was hoping that it was. It looked like it was wood. In the description, it's wood. Love it. I love that. Instead of all that acrylic we're getting, look, we have one that's wood. It's a holder. Love it. And it's on wood. I love it. Oh, yay. Okay, they had a few of these. So I'm going to be sure to link this below so you can check this out. But you can tell it's a butterfly, right? But it is a red, white, and blue butterfly. And this will go right in here. Oh, I love this. I love this. This is perfect. Okay, yeah. It's going to take a little finagling, but, you know, it'll go in there. I'm not going to work on it right now, but it'll go in there. That is awesome. It's wooden. Love it. Love it. Love it. I like that. So like I said, they had a few items on wood. They may have all been red, white, and blue stuff. Don't quote me. But go look. I don't even remember what they were called. But they're red, white, and blue drills. And then we have the fun little gnome guy here. 4th of July. Like I said, this might get to just a little later than 4th of July. But anyhow, I love those 2 items a lot. What do you think? All right. Thanks for watching. I will link these below. Check them out. I'm so excited by this. I hope they start doing more things like this on the wood. I really, really like it. All right, crossing my fingers. I'm gonna keep my eye out. I'm looking now. Now I'm looking. All right. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Come back later, see more stuff, because there's always something new. Always something new, see? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.